At day 9 or 10, who knows at this point. Leaving Kansas City. John, Nikki, it's been awesome. John, I'm gonna miss you, dude. We definitely need to move in together and have a streamer house at this point. But I'm expecting those photos. I'm sure you'll never watch this vlog, so I'm speaking to an audience of people that don't know who John is. John is a friend who's here. Anyway, heading to Denver, Colorado. That's gonna be a long fucking ride, 10 hours. Hopefully I can make it in one trip. I don't want to have to stop. Hopefully I don't get completely exhausted. It's gonna be a real test of my energy. So I'm gonna grab some protein bars, pack everything up, and I gotta hit the road. I don't get there too late. I don't wanna get there after sundown, and it's going to be, I'm just nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous, actually. It's probably gonna be totally fine. Also, the scenery is gonna change. So this vlog is gonna be hopefully some decent scenery. If not, definitely the next vlog, we're gonna get some mountains and stuff. I was really hoping for some change of scenery, and I hope that's what we get. Not to say there's anything wrong with corn. So, you know. See you guys on the other end of this.